decent winter range today, and we're looking for some deer sheds. A few weeks ago, I classed up a few bucks up in here, kind of up in this stuff, and figured why not go look for them. So keeping them pretty close. Don't want to disturb the winter range, but should be a nice day. It's nice and cloudy, and packing the rifle just in case. You never know. So stay tuned. Hopefully we get some bones here shortly. So I'm trying to shed hunt, and unfortunately it happens to be in Chukar country. So my dog's on point pretty often. So I have to go looking for him to flush the birds so that he'll rejoin me on the shed hunt. So got a dog up here on point. Go find him. Good boy. Good boy. That's a good boy, Doc. Haha. Now he thinks we're bird hunting, unfortunately. He just flushed up a shed. Pick it up, bud. Pick it up. It's a pair. There's a Chukar right next to him. He's more interested in the birds. Sweet. Check that out. Look at that, bud. Cool. Some freshies. Nice. Heck yeah. I think I watched this buck. Chopped off right here. Not very big, but that's hilarious. All the tips are broken off. Almost. Cool. Crazy enough, Doc was looking for a Chukar and stumbled on these sheds. Hilarious. Guess I need to be checking in the Chukar country and little rim rocks. Now we're gonna strap these down. Keep going. This is already a success in my books for shed hunting. Nice little pair of browns. So we're gonna keep going. Now we know where the bucks were, so let's keep going. So pretty cool. I just was looking at my Onyx, and I was up here a month ago, January 10th, and saw a buck and put a pin down, and these antlers were 88 yards from that pin. And it's what is it, January 14th, I think. So he didn't go very far, or he dropped shortly after I saw him. So pretty cool to know. So could have been that day, who knows. Interesting. Don't keep on hiking. Glassing. Turned up a couple bucks. Still packing. Go ahead and eat some peanut butter and jelly. Get refueled. Let Dog get a little bit of peanut butter. Looks like this buck's moving a little bit. I don't think they saw us though. Came across some deer. Got a couple bucks mixed in there. The little guys tend to hold on to their antlers a little longer, so they might not drop for a little bit. We'll see. It's cool to watch them though. So after a quick little lunch break, I'm gonna go ahead and head back. Not seeing a ton of bucks, which maybe they've already dropped, but oh, actually, Doc's on point again. Whoa. Haha, good boy. He was on it. Anyways, like I was saying, we're heading back, and instead of hitting the rim rock, I'm gonna hike through all this sage right here. And you never know, a lot of the bucks seem to like to hang out in this stuff, but it's really hard to turn up a shed because it's so thick and could be under any piece of sage. So I guess covering miles is the name of the game when you're in this stuff. But anyway, having a good time watching Doc point some chukar, and we got 2 sheds, so we didn't get skunked. That's pretty cool. Well, I think that about wraps it up. Just a little final stretch to the truck. Nothing like enjoying some rocky country with a Doc getting to point some chukar and finding a few sheds along the way. So we did pretty good for a quick little half-day jaunt. So hope you guys enjoyed watching and tagging along today. Y'all have a good one.